Hi, I'm Mosina. I'm a numerologist and a name expert. In numerology, every alphabet corresponds to a particular number. Your name is basically a set of numbers, and each number has a corresponding planetary vibration. So, if your name is vibrating in a number 5, it will make you a very good salesperson. It will help you build networks and social circles. It will make you an avid traveler. It will make you very flexible in relationships. But what if your name is in a vibration of 4? It will make you do a lot of hard work and the results will not be satisfactory. It will also make you follow a strict routine in life. You will grow in life, but it will not give you the satisfaction and it may even lead to a blockage of money. It is very important, therefore, to have your name aligned to your date of birth to give you the best results, and also it should be done meticulously by a name expert or a numerologist. If your name is not aligned with your date of birth, it will make you work really hard and it will not give you the satisfactory results. Probably it will not give you any work at all, making you live a very unfulfilled life. How many people do you know in and around you, or for that matter yourself, that you have worked so hard and it has not given you the life that you dreamt of? Probably you're working 3 shifts in a day, but still you're not able to make your ends meet. Hard work doesn't correspond to success. Hard work, belief, and luck is a winning combination for success. And your name vibration brings in the most luck factor in your life. Your name is used everywhere and every day, many times. Can you imagine your life without your name? No, right? Sometimes we don't know a person, but we tend to just look at them and after meeting them once, after knowing their names, we tend to make a judgment that they are either good or bad. How do we do it? It happens because of the aura or energy of the person, which is generated by his name energy. You think about people through names. Most celebrities, either knowingly or by accident, has taken up a name or tweaked their name which is in perfect vibration of their date of birth. That is when they have become successful. If your name is not vibrating in the utmost energy, what I will do is I will tweak your name to match up to the vibration of your date of birth by either removing or adding alphabets to your already existing name. It has worked for me and it has worked for so many of my clients that I have done the name tweaking for the last 5 years. You believe it or not, it works. If you think you are unlucky in life, your relationships keep falling apart, you have put in a lot of efforts but it hasn't given you desired results at work, chances are very high that you need a name correction and your name is a liability for you and not an asset. Get in touch with me and get your name checked and corrected by me. I am a name expert and I have been doing this for the last 5 years and I have seen people's life change. My goal in life is to elevate people and get their name vibrations so that it brings you luck, success, happiness, health, and money. Thank you.